Hello everyone and welcome back to VocabTube channel, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Sophie.
Hello, Sophie. It's great to be here with you today, and hello to all our amazing listeners.
Hi Mark. How are you today? You look cheerful.
I'm very cheerful, thank you. I feel great today. And you, Sophie, how are you?
I feel wonderful too. I have so much energy.
That's fantastic. Energy is always good.
Yes, it is. And because we feel so good, I think today is the perfect day to talk about health.
Health. That's such an important subject. A really excellent topic.
It is. So today we will talk about health. But first, a quick message for our listeners. Please subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and don't forget to give this episode a like. It really helps us a lot.
And please share it with your friends and family.
Exactly. Thank you, everyone. So, Sophie, health, shall we begin?
Okay, I'm ready. Health is a big word. Where do we start?
Let's start with the doctor.
The doctor. Yes. When we feel sick, we go to the doctor.
That's right. We go to the doctor, or sometimes to a hospital. A hospital is a big place with many doctors and nurses.
Yes. Do you like going to the doctor, Mark?
That's a good question. I don't love it, but I go when I need to. I know the doctor helps me.
Me too. I go when I feel sick. For example, when I have a cold.
A cold. Yes. You feel tired. Your nose is red.
Yes. And I say, "Hello, doctor, I think I have a cold."
And the doctor is helpful.
Oh, yes. The doctor is very kind. He or she asks, "How do you feel?"
How do you feel? That's a good question. You can say, I feel sick, or I feel tired.
Exactly. Or you can talk about a part of your body like, "My head hurts."
My head hurts. Yes, a headache. That's very common.
It is. Or, "My stomach hurts."
But yes, my stomach hurts. That's not a good feeling.
No, not at all. I remember one time I had a really bad cold.
Oh no. Tell me about it.
I felt so tired. So tired. And I had a huge headache.
So, you went to the doctor?
Yes, I went to the doctor. I said, "Doctor, I feel very sick."
And what did the doctor say?
The doctor was very kind. He said, "Okay, Sophie, please sit down. Let's see."
That's good. A nice doctor always makes it better.
Yes. He checked my eyes, my ears, everything. He was very professional.
And he helped you.
He did. He told me to drink a lot of water and to sleep.
Water and sleep. That's very good advice.
The best advice. And in 2 days I was better.
That's a great story. Simple things like water and sleep are so important.
They are. What about you, Mark? Do you have a doctor story?
I do. Last year, I went to the dentist.
Ah, the dentist. The doctor for our teeth.
Yes, exactly. I go to the dentist every year. It's important for my teeth.
It is very important to have a happy smile.
Yes, a happy, healthy smile. So, I went for a checkup.
A checkup is when the doctor just looks to see if everything is okay.
Exactly. A routine visit. The dentist was very friendly. She said, "Hello, Mark. Please open your mouth."
The famous words. Open your mouth.
Yes. She looked at my teeth and said, "Your teeth look good, Mark. Good job."
Oh, that's wonderful. Feels good to hear that.
It really does. She told me to keep brushing in the morning and at night.
Good advice. Morning and night.
Very simple advice. So going to the doctor or the dentist is a good thing. It helps us stay healthy.
Yes, I agree. We should not be afraid. They are there to help us.
That's right. So we talked about being sick, but what about staying healthy every day?
Oh, my favorite part. Let's talk about exercise.
Exercise. Yes, let's talk about it. Do you go to the gym, Sophie?
I do. I go to the gym 3 times a week.
3 times a week. That's fantastic. Good for you.
Thank you. I like it. Gives me energy. What about you?
I don't go to the gym, but I like to exercise outside.
Outside? That sounds nice. What do you do?
I like to run in the park.
Running in the park with trees and birds. That sounds so peaceful.
Yes, it's beautiful. I run in the morning when the air is fresh.
The best time. I usually go to the gym in the evening after work.
And what do you do at the gym?
I like to walk fast on the treadmill.
The treadmill. Yes, I know that machine. So you walk, not run?
Yes, I walk very fast. It's good for my heart. And I listen to music.
Music and exercise. A perfect combination.
Yes, it makes time go fast and I feel so good after.
Yes, it makes time go fast, and I feel so good after me too. After I run, I feel tired, but it's a good tired.
Exactly. A good tired. You feel strong.
Strong, yes, and happy. Exercise makes me happy.
Me too. Sometimes I also lift small weights at the gym.
Weights. To make your arms strong.
Yes, very small weights just to feel strong.
That's great, Sophie. So you walk fast and lift weights.
Yes, and I drink lots of water.
Ah, water again. So important.
It is. When you exercise, you need to drink a lot of water.
I always take a bottle of water with me when I run.
Very smart. We need water for our bodies to work well.
So let's see. Go to the doctor, exercise. What else is important for health?
I can think of something very important and delicious.
Delicious? Are you talking about food?
Yes, food. What we eat is so important for our health.
You're right. Healthy food makes a healthy body.
Exactly. What's your favorite healthy food, Mark?
Oh, that's easy. I love fruit. All fruit.
Me too. What's your favorite fruit?
Bananas. I love bananas. They give me lots of energy.
Bananas are great. I eat them before the gym.
Yes, they're sweet and delicious. And you, Sophie?
Apples. I love red apples. So crunchy.
I love the sound of a crunchy apple.
It was wonderful talking to you, Mark.
You too, Sophie. Stay healthy.
And to all our listeners, thank you for joining us on VocabTube English channel.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.
And please comment below, tell us one healthy thing you love to do.
We can't wait to read your comments.
Goodbye everyone, see you next time.
Bye and take care.